Hi everyone, today with me I have these headband sets, and what makes them super unique is that they come with these. Now you might think they look like scrunchies, but these are actually for your arms. So you slip them on just like so, and when you're washing your face and all that water drips down through your arm, it gets caught in this and won't get you and your clothes wet. And they also have a all matching with the headbands. So I got the black, gray, and white color selection, and check this out, these are actually made from Velcro, which makes it super easy to put them on and take them off without having to put your entire head through. These are super comfortable and is going to keep your hair back while you're doing your makeup or your skincare or just washing your face, keeping your hair and your arms protected from any water. I definitely recommend you check these out. These are super comfortable and definitely super useful when you're doing anything that requires touching your face and keeping your hair out. So check these out on Amazon. They're definitely a must-have.